Hey, Canva lovers! If you're looking to organize your data beautifully and easily, you're going to love this. Today, I'm going to show you how to add drop-down menus inside Canva Sheets, step by step. Let's jump right in. I've opened up one of my Canva Sheets. In this example, I'm working on a TikTok ads campaign where I'm tracking 3 different product appeals. The table includes all the essentials: impressions, ad copy, clicks, orders delivered, and of course, sales earnings. I've added a new column called Ad Status, and this is where we'll insert our dropdowns. Here's how. First, click on a cell under Ad Status. Then, go to the top bar, click on the Actions button, and select Dropdown. Canva gives you 2 options. You can either create your dropdown choices from scratch, or choose from Canva's presets like yes or no, high, medium, low, approval, or status. For this tutorial, I'm picking status. Canva adds it right into the cell. To apply that same dropdown to the rest of the column, just copy the first dropdown and paste it into the other cells. You can also customize your dropdowns. Let's say I want to add a new option called TBD for to be decided. I click on the dropdown, select Add New Option, type in TBD, and choose a pink color for it. Canva's AI then suggests updating the other similar dropdowns. I click Update to Similar Dropdowns, and just like that, the new option is applied to all of them. This feature is incredibly helpful when managing campaigns, projects, or anything that needs a clear, color-coded status. And that's it. Quick, clean, and Canva-style efficient. If this tutorial helped you, let me know in the comments what other Canva Sheets tips you'd love to see next. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.